breaking the ice, understanding the phrase, cut through the ice. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, cut through the ice. This expression is not just about literal ice, but carries a deeper meaning in social interactions and conversations. If you've ever been in a situation that felt a little awkward or stiff at the start, understanding this phrase might just change your approach. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday English. The phrase, cut through the ice, is a variant of the more commonly known expression, break the ice. To cut through the ice means to overcome initial social awkwardness or stiffness in a conversation or setting, making it easier for people to communicate openly and comfortably. Imagine a frozen lake that's difficult to cross until someone cuts a path through the ice, making it easier for everyone else to move forward. Similarly, cutting through the ice in a social context involves creating a welcoming atmosphere that encourages open communication. While cut through the ice is not as widely used or documented as break the ice, its origins likely stem from the same metaphorical idea. The concept of breaking the ice dates back to at least the 17th century, used literally for ships known as icebreakers that would clear paths through ice-covered waters. Metaphorically, it soon came to describe actions taken to overcome social barriers. Cut through the ice follows this metaphor, suggesting a more precise action to achieve the same goal of easing social tension. Using cut through the ice effectively can transform the dynamics of your social interactions, especially in new or uncomfortable situations. Here are a few tips. Be observant. Pay attention to the mood and body language of the people around you. This can help you identify the best moment to introduce a topic or joke that lightens the mood. Share a personal story. Sometimes, sharing a bit about yourself can encourage others to open up, effectively cutting through any initial awkwardness. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage others to talk about themselves or their interests. This can help shift the conversation from superficial topics to more engaging discussions. Be mindful of cultural differences. What works in one cultural context may not work in another. Being sensitive to these differences is key to effectively cutting through the ice. Let's look at some examples of how cut through the ice can be used. In a meeting, John did a great job cutting through the ice with that team-building exercise. It really helped everyone relax. At a party, I was so nervous when I arrived, but Maria told a hilarious story that really cut through the ice. In a new class, our teacher started the semester by having us play Two Truths and a Lie, which really cut through the ice. Understanding and using the phrase, cut through the ice, can significantly improve your ability to navigate social situations, making them more enjoyable and less daunting. Whether you're in a formal setting like a workplace or a casual gathering, remember that the key to cutting through the ice is fostering an environment where everyone feels comfortable to share and engage. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.